In the video, I'll show you how to use the load family and how to do the decoration inside the decoration of house. Alright, so guys, before I start the video, I'm gonna thank you guys for supporting me by subscribing, by liking the video, and by sharing the video. So everything that I'm doing, guys, because of your motivation, and I'm so proud and I'm so grateful for you guys. And thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to share the video, don't forget to like the video as usual, and also subscribe to this channel. So guys, let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to do the load family professionally. So the load family is really important when you're using the Revit software, because you have to simulate how the object should look like, right? And if you go on architecture here, if you go on architecture or if you go first of all in insert, you can find the load family. You can find the load family here, right? But if you click on it, and you wait a little bit, you will see that you have a lot of options. You can look for everything that you are seeking for, right? So here you have the door. Let me just open one thing here. Let me just open the door, and if you click on once on it, you can see how the door looks like. You see, we have more option, a lot of option of it, right? But it looks kind of boring. As you can see, it looks like boring. So I don't need this. I can just close it. I can close it and open it in professional way. So if I go on inserts again, and I go, instead of going on load family, I go on load Autodesk family, right? If I click on it, you can see I have many categories, right? Okay, this was my previous research, so I can just delete it. But as you can see here, we have many categories, and we can filter it in different manner. And here we have our category. My category is any, means that I didn't pick any specific category so far, right? But if you click on this bar here, on this triangle here, you can see a lot of options that you have here. But I don't want to pick anything. I'm gonna just keep it any. And from here we have the research bar. You can just research. Let me say I'm looking for let's say table. I'm just gonna click table there, and then I'm gonna press enter on my keyboard. After that, I will see the table that I'm looking for. Let's say I'm looking for I'm looking for this table here, the round W chair table. I'm gonna click on it, and after click on it, I need to go on load. And after being loaded, I have to wait a little bit until it's been loaded. I need to go on architecture, and I need to place a component. So I need to click only on component here. And by clicking on the component, you will see that the software gonna recommend you the last object that you have been loaded. The last object that has been loaded, right? So it's this one, the table dining round W chair, right? And you can click on it, and you can click on here to modify it. Like click here and scroll down until you find the big diameter. So I'm gonna take this diameter here, the big diameter, and then I can just place it here, right? And I can zoom to see how it looks like, right? I can press escape twice, and then I can keep zooming. I can keep zooming here, all right? All right, so this is how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. And if I click on it to modify it, and if I go on edit, if I press on edit in the left part, you can see that I have the shape is circle, right? So I need to have my radius, I need to have my diameter, and also I need to have the height of this table. So all of those dimensions, right, can be found here. And as you can see that the diameter equals to radius times 2, right? That's why you can see that they're almost the same dimension in double, right? And the heights you can just click here and then modify according to your projects, right? So this is how you can decorate. You can place the inner design, but I'm gonna show in the next video how to do it professional, like way by way. right? And after that, we can just modifying everything here, we can just press OK. But I didn't do any modification, so it's gonna stay the way it is here. And if you wanna see in reality how it looks like, you can just double click on it. You can just double click on it, and this is how it looks in reality, right? This is how it looks in reality. And to see the realistic view of this, just go on this border here, visualize style, just press hidden line. And first of all, you can take the shaded. This is how the shaded looks like, right? You can modify the size if you want, but I'm just showing you guys how we can insert a load family in Revit professionally. And here, this is how the shape should look like, right? And if you want to see in reality, you just press again here on visualize, visualizing style, and then go on realistic. And this is how it should look like. So this is how the type of the chair should be look like, and our table should be like this, right? Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do the last one. So I'm gonna close this. I don't want this one, so I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna save it. From here, I will delete this. I will delete this one here. So I'm gonna do the same process, but I'm gonna try to what can I say, to arrange a classroom by following the same step that I show you, right? So what I'm gonna do here, so the classroom is composed of a chair. Like, let me just go here, composed with student chair and teacher's chair, right? And also the table, different table. We have the trash beam, beam, and also we can have the tree around, and so we have a lot of components. So if you go here again, if you go on insert, sorry, if you go on insert here and you go on load Autodesk family, right, you will figure out that you can look for anything that you want as long as it's here in this software, right? So if you just go like, okay, if I click on table here, I need this table for this chair tablet arm should be for student. I need it, and I need to press loads. I did this already. So I did this already in like before I made this video. So and also I need the chair. I can just go on the table. I can just press again table and then press enter. I need this desk here for the teacher, right? And also need the table lamp, right? I need it also. And we can also tap trash, the trash can, and then press OK, enter. You can take this trash can, or you can take the compact trash can. Right, I did. I took all of these components already, so don't get confused, or don't get confused, guys. I'm gonna show after this step. And what do we need again? Okay, it's enough, right? For this video, it's enough. So how to do this, how to design it. So if I go on architecture here, if I go on insert component, right? If I go on components, or if I need to press in components, I need to start with the teacher table, right? The teacher table. So I'm gonna go up, 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 up until here, the desk. I'm gonna pick the biggest desk here, the biggest dimension of the desk. So it's 180 to 915. So I'm gonna place it here, right? I'm gonna place it in here, and for the chair, I'm gonna press it here, right? And I'm gonna zoom it out a little bit. And then for the chair, for the student chair, I'm gonna do the same process. I will go on architecture. On architecture here, and then I'll pick components, and after components, I'll look for the chair. Do you remember the chair that I told you about, guys? if you don't find it here, so you have to load it, right? So I'm looking for the chair. I'm looking for, I don't have it here, right? So I don't have it. So I need to go on insert and load family. No, oh, sorry, not load family. On load Autodesk family. I need to wait a little bit. Yeah, load Autodesk family, and I'll click on chair, tablet, arm, and then I'm gonna load it. All right. Okay, just keep waiting a little bit, and I'm gonna place it. I can place it, and I'm gonna change the dimension. The orientation later. Here, I'm gonna take four, four here, right? And I'm gonna repeat the same. I'm gonna take one here, the same line. You can see the blue line, they'll be aligned properly. So you have to follow the line, right? So to make it symmetrical, right? And I'm gonna give a little bit space for people to pass. So I'm gonna take another one here, another one here, another one here. The angle should be observed. The dimension should be observed here. And I'm gonna pick another one here, and I'll repeat the same process again, 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 and then I'm gonna take another range. Oh, sorry, Control Z. I'm gonna do here, and I'm gonna create another passage here, another way here for people to pass through. So I'm gonna click here, click here, click here, click here, and also I'm gonna repeat the same. Gonna give all of the range 2 chairs, right? And I'm gonna press escape here, and this table should be in the middle. Oh, I think this is the middle, but if it's in the middle, you can just change it a little bit, drop to the new position. This should be the new position here, right? It should be a new position, and what should I add next? And if I go here again, if I go on architecture and look for another component to insert, like to place, I can go for the trash can. Like if I just press in here again, look for the trash can. I don't know if I can find it. Okay, if I don't find it again, I'm gonna just do the same process, inserts and load Autodesk family. You just need to be able, like, you just repeat the process over and over. You're gonna stay in your mind, so you don't need to memorize any step here. Just try to design as much as you can. And here I'm gonna just type trash can, trash can. So you can use your language. Like people, they speak different language, right? So just try to change to change the file in your language, like the way that I show you. So this is my trash can. I'm gonna press on it and I'm gonna load it up, and I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit, and I will put it. I'll actually put the trash can close to the teacher desk, because I don't like teachers. But anyway, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put it in here, man. I'll put it in here, close to the teacher, so the teacher can smell. No, I'm kidding. So, and if I go on a different view, the default should be a 3D view, right? If I go on here and if I zoom, you will see that the orientation of the chair and the table, they're not really um they don't make sense, right? They don't make sense. So you have to change the orientation. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna select first of all this desk here, and then I'm gonna write on my keyboard RO for the rotation, and I'll click this line here. It means that my table facing this side here should face this side in 90 degree. Should face this side in 90 degree. All right. And I can just change this trash can here. You can put it in here, and we can modify the size. We can just go here. You can go on edit type and modify the size, the dimension of this. You don't need to do this, you just need to tap on it. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it later. Let me just finish the chair first. So this chair, as you can see, obviously they should face the teacher, right? They should face the teacher desk, right? So I'm gonna select all of them. Like, make sure you select all of them. Or we can take from here, just make sure everything, only the chair they've been selected. Let me take from here. Hold on. Let me see how I can select everything. That just okay. So I can start from this side here and select everything, and I'm gonna repeat the same. I'm gonna repeat RO for the rotation, the shortcut for rotation. So my chair, they're facing this side. They should face this side, 90 degree. All right. Am I correct? Yeah. Am I correct, right? Yeah. They should face this side. And the left sheet desk is really far. So I need to make it a little bit closer. And the trash can is too way big. So I'm gonna put it far from the teacher. So close to the door. And the teacher table. The teacher table here, teacher desk should have a chair. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go again on insert, and I'm gonna get the load Autodesk family, and here I'll take the chair. I'm gonna write chair and press OK and enter, and I'm gonna take, of course, the executive chair. This one is more comfortable for a teacher. Or so you have more option here, but I'm gonna take this one here. I'm gonna press load, and I will wait a little bit. And from here, I can just go on architecture again and component. And they're gonna give me the latest component that I loaded. So I'm gonna just press in here, and of course escape twice to cancel the comment. And then I'm gonna press. I'm gonna select the chair. I'll click on the chair, and then I'm gonna click, or I'm gonna write RO for the rotation, and then means that my chair. I'm gonna specify the chair location. Means that the chair is looking this side. Should be looking this side here, 90 degree, 90 degree here. Okay. Okay. And we need the lamp. We need the lamp on the teacher desk, right? Let's say we need the lamp. So I think I have this already. If I go on architecture, if I go on component here, I should have it. I should load it. I should have. Let me see first. I don't want to say anything. Let me just see first. No, I don't have it. So I will go again on insert. I'll go again on insert, and I will take again from load Autodesk family. I will use the lamp. I'll take the lamp. Oh, sorry guys, the lamp, and I'll press OK, and I'll take this table lamp here. I'll take the table lamp. I'll click load, and I'll go on architecture again, component, and I'll put the lamp here. With the lamp here. Let me see if I can put it on top of the table. Let's see how to put it on top of the table. Let me see. Okay, so let me just attach it here. Okay, let me do this first. So I'm gonna show how it looks in reality first. So let me put it here. In reality, okay, let me just leave it here first of all. And if I go on on hidden line here, there's nothing showing, right? So everything stay constant. And if I go there and if I click here and then if I go on shaded, you can see, right? You can see how the surface looks like, right? But I need to design the floor first of all. Before I include this lamp here, I need to design the floor. So I'm gonna go on architecture again, and I'll go on the floor here. But from the floor, I'm gonna change the view. I'm gonna go on level one here, and I'll make the floor. I'll use the rectangular shape here, and I'll start designing my floor just to demonstrate. I'll start designing my floor here, and after designing my floor, I'm gonna just press enter. So this is my floor, and if I change the view again, you will see the floor that been designed. The floor has been designed here, right? This lamp. Let me delete the lamp first. So I don't need the lamp now. This trash beam should be moved here. Should move here, and the rotation should be, since it's facing this side, it should face this side 90 degree. This side 90 degree. But the size is too much, it's too big, right? Let me delete it first. Let me delete it first of all, and let me go in architecture again and component. I need to make a little bit like not big trash can inside the room. So I need to make it like average, like it should be at least medium size, right? Not that big. So let me go and see first. Should be here, the trash. Let me tab trash. Yeah, the trash can here. This is the trash can. Let me see if I can modify. Sorry. All right, so let me just put it. This side is this side. Okay, let me just keep it the way it is right now here. So I'm gonna just take I'm gonna click RO for the rotation. So I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna press RO, and since it's facing this side, it should face this side 90 degree. Face this side 90 degree. Okay. Okay. What should I input? So I don't need to input other things. So this video just to show you how you can insert the load family here, and how you can rotate the direction of all the components. So in the next video, I'm gonna show how to decorate and how to design the inner structure of house or building, right? And the interior is really important when you're an engineer, right? You have to know how to manage the dimension of the house, right? So it's really important. And guys, as I said before at the beginning of this video, thanks so much guys for your support, and it means a lot to me. And don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like this video, and also the most important as usual, subscribe to the channel guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.